Welcome to my channel where we talk about all things about design and decorating. Today we are talking about one of the most romantic holidays of the year, Valentine's Day. Whether you are single or in a relationship, this holiday is great excuse to show your loved ones how much you care. And what better way to do that than with some amazing Valentine's Day ideas. Let's start with the basic. Valentine's Day is all about love and hearts, so it is no surprise that the heart shape is popular symbol for this holiday. You can use heart shapes in a variety of ways, from decorating your walls to creating a centerpiece. One of the easiest ways to decorate your walls is with balloons. You can create a heart shape by inflating a bunch of pink and red balloons and arranging them in the shape of heart. This is a fun and affordable way to add a touch of Valentine's Days to your home. Another great way to incorporate the heart shape into your Valentine's Day design is with a floral centerpiece. You can use red and pink flowers to create a beautiful heart shape on your table. This is a great way to add a touch of elegance and romance to your dining table. Cut to a short. If you are looking for something a little more creative, why not create your own heart-shaped wall art? You can use paper or cardboard to create a heart shape and decorate it with paint, glitter, or anything else you can think of. This is a great way to add a personal touch to a Valentine's Day decor. Another great way to add a personal touch to your Valentine's Day decor is with string art. You can create a heart shape with strings and add a touch of elegance and romance to your walls. This is a great way to add a touch of elegance and romance to your home. Another great way to add a touch of Valentine's Day to your home is with the heart-shaped wreaths. You can use a variety of materials to create a wreath such as flowers, ribbon, or even yarn. This is a great way to add a touch of elegance and romance to your home. Another great way to add a touch of Valentine's Day to your home is with the heart-shaped garland. You can use a variety of materials to create a garland such as flowers, ribbon, or even yarn. This is a great way to add a touch of elegance and romance to your loving partner.